Hey guys, welcome back to Tomorrow 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're up for a brand new benchmark. Today we'll be testing out Spyro, the Reignited Trilogy for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. As you know, as I do with all these tests, I keep everything on the default settings. The whole point of the video is just to make sure the game runs and to show the progress of the YUZU emulator. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Let's get into it. Now, yes, Spyro Reignited Trilogy is on PC already, so this is simply to show how far the YUZU emulator has come. And it's quite impressive to be able to run Spyro like this on this emulator. It's actually running quite well. It does have a bit of a graphical issue, I can see that, but other than that, game seems to be running oh, what the? I just thought this guy was running up on me. He come to get smacked or what? I was like, wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Coming at me, bro. Take fire. Take fire. Take fire. I actually did a benchmark for this on the PC when this first came out. That was a damn long time ago. Does Spyro run any faster? I feel like I haven't tested Spyro out at all to even question that. Or know exactly how even to play Spyro. He definitely can run faster. He definitely can. I just don't remember what. I don't know what that is right now.
Where's Nasty Nork? I'll torch him.
Keep your horns on, Spyro. You have much to learn first. Do you know what the dragonfly following you is doing? His name is Sparks, and he's helping and protecting you. Keep an eye on him and see what I mean.
Do I have to? I mean, who's that? That seems so random. Like,
Hi, Spyro.
oh, to replay the. Okay, no, that's fine. Alright, so we've been playing for a while. Definitely seems to be running a lot faster too. What is that? What is that he's doing? That oh, he's rolling. I'm like, what the heck is he doing? He just kind of zoned out there for us. I was like, what is Spyro? Oh, they found it, figured it out how to run faster. Kind of weird. Why is that the button to run faster? How am I supposed to fire and run? What? Yep. Figured it out. Oh, I didn't even. Oh, because I can't hit him in. Interesting. Spyro sucks. Anyway, let's move on. Where's that other dragon that I've been ignoring for about 10 minutes now? I just keep staying in this area because oh, right up here. Sorry about that. I got really carried away by running around in an area, in just one area for about 3 minutes. Hey, Nestor, come on out. You were the first guy freed last time. Yeah, definitely a graphical issue here. Kind of looks a bit grainy.
For releasing me, Spyro. Free 10 dragons in the artisan world, then find the balloonist. He'll transport you to the next world.
What about Nasty Nork? I'm going after him.
Find dragons first. That's all I can tell you.
I must say, another thing I've realized is that it's not as demanding as a lot of the Nintendo Switch games I test on the channel. I mean, it might be because it's an older one. That definitely may be the case. Because normally most of them are over 6 and 7 gigs. Here I have breathing room. And I like that. I like having breathing room. Yeah, that's right. Spyro over here coming to end your life, bro. Yeah, you better act scared. You better. Who the heck are you?
If you prove your worth by rescuing 10 dragons, then you may use this boat.
What if I don't want to rescue 10 dragons? What they do for me? Tell me. What they do for me lately? So I must say, Spyro Reignited Trilogy, rousing success. It runs quite well, even on this system. This setup is quite nice. It's interesting that I can't get it to do 60, but hey, we can't all be heroes. Not every game runs the same. RAM usage isn't bad either. The only thing that's an issue is a grainy effect. That's literally it. Everything else runs fine. Now I'm going into a new area, so it's probably going to be another building with shaders again. So you probably get some drops of frames here, but other than that, CPU and GPU seem to be chilling. There we go. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. As I said, I normally put out a bunch of different content on the channel, such as RPCS3, Xenia, and YUZU here. I'll also do PC games on the channel as well, showing you how to get games running on lower end hardware. So if you have something you'd like to see me test on the channel, you can just leave a comment down below and I'll get to it as soon as possible. I'm actually taking a request because I'm actually posting anything specific right now. Holy crap, why are there so many of them? They didn't do anything. It was kind of lackluster. They were all there and they were all really big and they didn't do anything to me. It was really weird. Like, I don't see really the point there. They were like, we got him now, and then they didn't. And that was awkward. It was really awkward. Oh hi, more of them. I don't understand what the big guy's supposed to be doing. He just keeps getting smacked. Well, that was something. That was truly something. He was there like, okay, stop attacking. I got him. No, dead.
Big enemies like this Nork with the club cannot be charged.
Yeah, but they ain't doing much either.
That should defeat them.
I mean, I kind of figured that out already. Like this. Ha! That was a nice try, though. To attack me while I was coming down like that, that was definitely a nice try. But Spyro Reignited Trilogy seems to be a winner on the Nintendo Switch. So in case you wanted to play it with the Switch's controls rather than a PC's controls, definitely a possibility to do. I don't know why, but hey. I'm just trying to give you a reason to watch this damn video. But I'll see you guys next time. I'm just going to mute myself so you just enjoy the rest of the content.
You. I wasn't sure if you'd escape those annoying little creatures. Of course they wouldn't bother me, but here's a hint. Their metal armor is fireproof, but a charge attack will take care of them.